What's up, everybody? Your boy DJ's Gaming is here, and I'm gonna be playing Talking Tom 2 again because I wanted to do it for entertainment and for fun. So let's play. Alright, we're done with that. Now let's go. And SqUeaKY's still looking at Tom. What the heck? I am gonna punch you. No. Now let's get to playing the games now. I think I'm gonna play easy SqUeaKY. So, wait. Oh, it's the same game from last time. I don't know. But I'm here right now. This is literally the... Bruh! She gets bigger and bigger over time. What the heck? Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nope. No! Yes, come on. Okay, yes. No! Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah! Okay, okay. I'm actually trying my best to, like... Oh my god, it's good! No! Oh my god. If I keep losing hearts, I'm gonna die eventually. Oh my god. No. Oh my goodness. Yes! I got the shield! Yes! Okay. Oh my god. No! Oh! I'm gonna play again. Alright. Oh my god, I'm eventually getting faster! I'm eventually getting faster. Oh my god! This is getting out of control. I need to slow down. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I doing this? Oh my... Oh no, 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 no! Ah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I needed to slow down. I was going way too fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my god! No! Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Please, yes. Slow down. Oh my... Oh my... No! Oh my... Yes! I got that. No! Oh my god! And I'm freaking... Okay, I'm done for now. Okay, now I'm just gonna... Wait. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Okay then. Alright. Please stop doing that. But I'm gonna change it. Can you please shut up? Alright. What the? What's wrong with you, bro? Okay. Okay, I think, Alright. Now this completes the outfit, I think, but... Yeah. Oh, wait, oh! Alright. Which one looks the best? Oh. Oh, wait. Hey, I won! Okay, say cheese. I'ma definitely screenshot that. Okay, I changed his name to Christopher. Or Christopher. I mean, his name is better than C Money or whatever. But, yeah. Alright. Alright. Now let's get back to playing games. I think I'm gonna play Sub Adventure. Or whatever this is supposed to be. Oh, I'm supposed to move stuff around. I'm supposed to move things off. Or out of the way. I guess that's helpful. I don't know why Tom looks extremely happy. Nothing has happened. Nope. No. Move these things out of the way. Get these stupid pufferfish out of the way. No. No! Oh my god! Yes, okay. Now get these stupid pufferfish out of the... Bro. No, get out of the way. Go away. Go away. No! No! Oh my god. Christopher, you're such a young boy. We don't want you to get away like this. You're such a young boy. You're almost like 2 years old. Please don't go away from me. Please, I don't want you to lose. I want you to keep going until you're 18 years old or something like that. I meant to say 80, but whatever. Okay, alright. Now, come on. No! No! Please! No! Destroy the thing! Okay, now. What is that? Ew! Ew, move out the way, you stupid octopus thing. Alright, now. Oh my god. If you don't go away with that. No! Oh my god. Oh, I need another... Oh my god, I need another heart before I die. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No! No, please. No! Oh my god. Move out the way, bruh. Move. Move. No. No. No! Go! Oh my god. Okay. Holy crap. No. No! I swear to... Bro. Nope. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my... Okay, cool. Oh my god. Nope, nope. Nopity, nopity, nope, nope. Nope. But, this game is actually kind of fun. If you don't get away with that. Like, get out of here, stupid octopus. Okay, man. No! God, I'm sick and tired of all these stupid starfish are just always, like, trying to mess with me. And I got stuff to do with Christopher. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna play one more game, and it's gonna be Spooky Train. Okay. Boop. Bam. Boop. Bam. Boop. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, alright. I thought it was gonna, like, get rid of me or something. Boop. 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 Oh, that was close. Okay. Boop. Oh! No! Wait, what the heck? Oh my... What the heck was that? No! Oh my god. No, seriously, what the heck was that? What is this game? There's literally nothing. Oh my god. I'm gonna play it one more time, but yeah. But this game is stupid. Like, legitimately, this game is pretty freaking stupid. No! Oh my... Get away from me, weirdo! What is this? Okay. Alright. But, yep, what the? Okay. Huh? Okay. Man, that's whack. Now I gotta do it again. I need that many? What the heck? But, okay, I got something to say. You know, when I was in... If you don't be quiet. Okay, but, around in 5th grade, you know, I used to have, like, a friend that's a girl, you know, and her name was Irma. Yeah, I know, you're probably thinking to yourself right now, like, what kind of name is that? That's weird. Like, you don't shut up. Okay. But, yeah, but when we get on a bus, Irma used to just turn around and look at me and just, like, smile. I don't really, like, she used to do it a bunch of times, actually. but it's like, like around break time, we used to play dominoes together, to stack them up to make them look like a tower or a house or something like that. It was pretty fun and creative, and we used to have snack time, like we used to bring, chips out during snack time, that's great. I forgot what the school is called now. It was a long time ago. It was 5th grade, so, I mean, yeah, and I obviously know it's an elementary school, but, yeah, like, now I need to do something, like, what the heck? Oh, hey, Tom, would you like this pepper? Ah! Oh my god. He almost set the house on fire because he got a fiery breath like a dragon. What the heck? Ugh, okay. He just swallowed it whole. I'm not gonna give you anything, you weird unicorn looking. I would rather go to a freaking parrot than you, unicorn freak. Okay, alright. Alright. What? Okay. Can you shut up? That's what you get. Okay. Alright, now. Boop, bam! Yeah. I'm doing better than last time, to be honest. But now... Shut up! You're freaking weird... Bro, I swear to... Bro, you made me mess up! Oh. It still hit the thing anyways. Ha ha. Ha 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 to you too. Oh my god. Oh my god. I will hit you with the same. Okay. Can you shut up? Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Aw, dang. Okay. Huh? Shit. It's so freaking dramatic. I didn't even do nothing to you. Oh, I can't even control it right. Oh my god! Oh my god. So I was supposed to do it like this. But you're like close to the thing. Calm down. Okay. Ugh. Ugh. What the? Ugh. You look like one of those, like, bullies that would, like, cyberbully, like, anybody for views. Like, on YouTube. Like, look at you. Ew. Ugh. Now you look like an old science teacher or something. Look at you, ugly face, man. Alright, I think. Wait, what the? No, what the? Okay, ta-da! What? Y'all wasted my time with the stupid... Okay, alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video whenever I'm gonna record again. Bye-bye.